Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 RZR 1000 turbo with 900 miles, got a ton of extras. The winch, the extra cooling fans, bead lock wheels, LED interior lighting, got the light bar obviously. The back speakers glow, you got the sticker kit, front and rear aftermarket bumpers, the glass windshield, Sparks mufflers. These are aluminum wheels, obviously. And we're gonna go ahead and hop in there and I'll take you for a tour of the interior. All the handles will operate from the inside. Okay. Absolutely love these speakers. There's your handle. Full harnesses on each of the seats. Got your additional equipment bags. Okay, there's your winch controls right there. Then you got your LED lighting. Let's go ahead and start up. So that's running great. Right here you got your LED lights, your interior lights. See them right there. You got your extra cooling fans. There's just sound. Here are your stereo controls right here. And then as you come down, you have your shifter, your cup holders, your old crap bars.